Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the construction kit in Animal Crossing. First, you'll need to unlock your Nook phone by playing through the initial tutorial. As you complete various tasks and achievements on your island, you'll earn Nook miles. These miles are crucial for your island's development. You'll need to gather at least 2,000 Nook miles to get started on your construction journey. Once you have enough Nook miles, head over to the Resident Services building. Inside, you'll find the Nook Stop terminal. Interact with it and choose the Redeem Nook Miles option. Browse through the available items until you find the construction kit. It will cost you 2,000 Nook miles to acquire this valuable tool, so make sure you have enough saved up. Congratulations! After purchasing the construction kit, you'll immediately gain access to the Island Designer app on your Nook phone. This amazing tool empowers you to truly customize your island's landscape. You can now lay down a variety of paths, transforming your island's appearance. Imagine creating charming dirt paths, elegant stone walkways, or rustic wooden trails to connect different areas of your home. To take your island design to the next level, you can purchase additional permits from the Nook Stop. For example, the River Sculpting Permit and the Cliff Construction Permit each cost 6,000 Nook miles. These advanced permits unlock even more terraforming capabilities, allowing you to create rivers, waterfalls, and multi-level cliffs. Your island's potential for customization is truly limitless with these powerful tools.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.